So what is a big dog affiliate anyway? Who knows how much money is made on the internet each and every day? If you could put a figure on it worldwide, would it be billions? More? Across nations and currencies, that would be very hard to figure out. But we do know that money is made by the minute on the internet. We also know that many of the people making that money are quiet individuals sitting in the comfort of their own homes. Many are not really working at all at the very same time their money is being made. Affiliate marketers are hardly ever around whilst their websites keep making money. The internet is one of the easiest ways to make money, particularly if you want to make money from your home, or make money in a way that costs little and returns many-fold on your investment of little or nothing. It has allowed people from all walks of life to make money, big money, and quit their day jobs, or in many cases, never start one to begin with. Surprisingly, making money on the internet does not require the sort of background, education, or experience that most people think it does. Making money on the internet has been made increasingly easier, opening the door for more and more people to sit back, relax, and let the ethereal World Wide Web make their money for them. So how can a man or woman with or without a working knowledge of computer programming or business make money online? And how can he or she do so without straining at the monitor of a computer for hours and days on end? For a very well-established number of people and an ever-growing population of web users, the answer is internet marketing, more specifically known as affiliate marketing. But as the name might be taken to imply, affiliate marketing does not require an advertising degree, or even an understanding of the codes and programs that run the internet. With the tools and resources available, any person who can read or can type, and not well, I might add, can be an online affiliate, and can replace his or her income with the income generated as what I like to call a big dog affiliate.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by All Super Info. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.